In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Grammarly in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a student looking to improve your writing, a professional who wants to make sure your emails are impeccable, or simply someone who loves clean, error-free text, Grammarly is a great tool for you. So let's dive right in and get your Grammarly account set up. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Grammarly website. Simply type Grammarly into your search bar and hit enter. You'll see Grammarly's official site at the top of the search results. Click on that link to get started. Once you're on the Grammarly homepage, you'll notice a prominent button that says Get Grammarly. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the sign up page. Here you have the option to create an account using your email, or you can sign up with your Google account for added convenience. If you choose to sign up with your email, you'll need to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure to pick a password that's hard to guess, combining upper and lower case letters, along with numbers and symbols. Once you've done that, you will need to enter your name in the corresponding field. With everything filled out, click on the button that says Agree and Sign Up. After this initial setup, Grammarly will prompt you to continue setting up your account. You simply need to follow the instructions by clicking on Continue. For those who prefer signing up using their Google account, the process is even more streamlined. Click on the option to continue with Google. This will redirect you to a Google login page where you can select your Google account from the list. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, this should be a breeze. After selecting your Google account, click on Continue and you'll be redirected back to Grammarly's site. You're almost there. At this point, you'll be directed to Grammarly's homepage, which means your account setup is complete. That's it. You now have a Grammarly account and are ready to start improving your writing. With Grammarly, you can check your text for grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and even get suggestions for better word choices. Make sure to explore its features and see how it can work best for you.